Welcome to this tutorial. How to clear cache in Chrome, Firefox and Internet Explorer. Clear cache in Chrome. Step 1. On your computer, open Chrome. Step 2. At the top right, click More. Step 3. Click More Tools and click Clear Browsing Data. Step 4. At the top, choose a time range. To delete everything, select All Time. Step 5. Next to cookies and other site data and cached images and files, check the boxes. Step 6. Click Clear Data. Clear cache in Firefox. Step 1. Click the menu button and choose Options. Step 2. Select the Privacy and Security panel. Step 3. In the Cookies and Site Data section, click Clear Data. Step 4. Remove the check mark in front of Cookies and Site Data. Step 5. With Cached Web Content check marked, click the Clear button. Clear cache in Internet Explorer. Step 1. On the Internet Explorer Tools menu, click Internet Options. The Internet Options box should open to the General tab. Step 2. On the General tab, in the Temporary Internet Files section, click the Delete button. Step 3. When the dialog box opens, click the Delete to clear the cache. This will delete all the files that are currently stored in your cache. Step 4. Click OK again to close the Internet Options box. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to us.